Tomato water is one of those things that has a tendency to take a little bit of time. Usually you blend your tomatoes, you put it into a filter or cheesecloth lined strainer, and you let it sit for hours or overnight until all the water drips out of it. When we're competing, we don't necessarily have time to do that. And so what I did was created a tomato water recipe, OTF, on the fly. I need this tomato water ASAP. I don't want to have to squeeze it out with my hands. I've got too much to do. I've got my tomatoes. The riper, the better. You almost want to buy like the ugly tomatoes. So we're gonna pour this into a pot. You wanna use a pot that has tall sides. You don't want too much surface area because you just wanna bring this up until the liquid separates. And so now, just up to a quick simmer, almost a boil, that's when it breaks. And at that point, you can just pour it into your filter lined. You can use cheesecloth for this as well. I prefer to use coffee filters. Most people have them at home if they have a coffee pot. And what you end up with is tomato water on the fly.